Well, the historical part of the restoration was from Renaissance Restoration out of Galena. U.S. Heritage has a schooling for lime putty for historical mortar that's used in a lot of the old buildings. So all my schooling came from Renaissance Restoration. The lime putty, the stone patching, etc.
And so, you started this business, doing this business yourself about 8 years ago, and you can just talk a little bit about, the process from which, kind of just working at home to renting some property. Now you bought your own.
Yeah, it started out just myself in a boom truck, 40-foot boom truck, doing mostly chimneys, small little patch jobs, and then each year I got a little bit more through the word of mouth and through the Telegraph Herald, of course, advertising. I started getting a little bit bigger jobs, needed more people, and took one guy on for a year or so. Then it was 2 the following year, and every year, like I said, after you get 4 or 5 years in, you can get bigger jobs, and more jobs are available to you after you get some experience, under your belt.